Ozamazama namhlanje bathumele incwadi ngentambo abakhishwa ngayo emathunjini omhlaba becela imishanguzo ngenxa yokuthi bayidinga kakhulu.
The sending of the ARVs, will recall that we have interim court order that was issued on Saturday that requested that we need to give the necessary medication that will ensure the safety of life. And if that ARVs is one of the requests that is being done, we have indicated that it will be done in a very coordinated manner.
Owengamele ezokuphepha komphakathi eNorthwest uWessels Mooroeng uqokwe ukuthi ahole ithimba elizoqhamuka nohlelo lokusiza laba bantu nelisungulwe ngungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu. uMooroeng uthi banalo uhlelo lokubasiza bephume emgodini, kodwa ke akekho umuntu ozothunyelwa ukuthi aye kubo ngoba bangabantu abayingozi kakhulu.
We are dealing with criminals here. Not so long ago in Gauteng, they raped young girls when they were shooting music video. People that are cruel. In Kagiso, they raped a father, a son, and a mother. A father committed suicide because he was affected psychologically. Now, people must not shift the attention of government on outrooting criminals in our society.
Amaphoyisa athi uma sebephumile bazobhekana namacala abo babuyiselwe emazweni abo uma bekulelizwe ngokungemthetho.
If you are found to have transgressed any criminality or any act, you shall face the full might of the law.
Encwadini ayishicilela njalo ngemsombuluko, umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa unxuse ukuba lolu daba lwamazamazama luxazululwe ngokuthula. Umengameli wengeze ngokuthi amaphoyisa awangafakwa engozini ngokungena kule mayini njengoba kukholakala ukuthi labo zamazama bahlomile. Namhlanje abekhona amalungu omphakathi ukuzosiza ukudonsa ozamazama ngaphansi komhlaba.
They are willing to come out, just that we do not have the enough capacity to make sure that we can maybe rescue 10 to 20 people a day. In a day we try depending on the weather, we can rescue 2 to 3 people or 1, because at some other days there's no time for rescuing. It's about trying to make sure that those who are down there are well fed, so that when we lift them up, they are still intact, they are still alive. Because when they come out, those people, you can see that life was almost, they were very close to haven.
Sebeshiya galolunye ozamazama asebetakuliwe kulomgodi kusukela ngoLwesihlanu.